So UGREEN is the peripheral company that I really love, and I've used so many of their products over the years, ranging from USB hubs, audio cables, HDMI cables, charging cables, you name it, I've used it. This is UGREEN's second attempt in the TWS space, and we're really excited to see if these are any good. Welcome to a review of the UGREEN HiTune WS100. Hello, my name is Sean and welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, I do a lot of tech reviews as well as unboxing, and if that is something that interests you, do consider subscribing to this channel, leave a thumbs up on this video as well as share this video to all your friends around. And with that said, let's get on with a review of the UGREEN HiTune. So with so many high quality products under their belt, I think it's really easy for UGREEN to make quality products, and that shows true even in this version of the truly wireless earbuds. UGREEN has graciously reached out to me and have sent me this HiTune for me to review. Although they have sent me these earbuds, I will still be providing my honest opinion so you know what you're getting into before buying these earbuds. The HiTune retails in Malaysia for about 150 Malaysian ringgit, and that translates to about US 40. Prices may differ from time to time, so if you're interested in getting these earbuds, do check out some of the links in the description below for their latest prices. So the HiTune is a very well designed earbuds, and everything from the case material to the build quality is all on point. UGREEN markets these earbuds as small and compact, easy to bring around earbuds, and they truly are small and tiny. The size is comparable to the size of the Halo GT1 series of earbuds. The case is made out of a high quality plastic, and everything from the seams, the lid is all very high quality. At the top of the lid you will see the UGREEN branding. I wish that the font was a little bit smaller and stealthier. Usually I really like minimal cases, as I think a minimal case is always a beautiful case. At the front of the case you will see 3 LED indicators that tell you the amount of charge that the case have, and at the back of the case you will see a nice USB-C charging port, and I'm really happy that budget earbuds are all starting to equip with Type-C, but then this is UGREEN that we're talking about, so Type-C is a norm for them. The lid of the case is made very premium, and even the opening mechanism feels really amazing, and the earbud sits nice and sturdy inside the case, and they are held on by a pretty strong magnet and has a very rugged outlook overall. I think this is not something that most people will pay attention to, but UGREEN even puts soft felt-like material inside the lid of the case to protect your earbuds when you close them, and this is the level of attention to detail that I really respect UGREEN for. The earbuds is a very nice simple TWS styled ear tips and has matte black finish overall with some gloss black trim. The seams of the earbuds don't feel sharp and it's very nicely put together, so wearing this in your ear feels very comfortable. One thing to take note is that the earbuds is designed in a way that it sits very deep into your ear canals. This is alright for me, and I think it provides very good passive noise cancellation. However, this type of ear tips that goes deep into your ear canals may not be for everyone. So the earbuds will give you an impressive 9 hours of continuous playback time, and that case gives you a total of 27 hours of playback time. That is about 2 additional charge cycles. The case takes about 2 hours to fully charge, and the earbuds will take about 1.5 hours to fully charge. To be honest, if I don't know about the price, I would not for 1 second think that this is a budget earbuds. So very nicely made and well built. In terms of the different features that the earbuds provide, these earbuds offer you pretty okay features for a modern earbuds. The HiTune comes with the Qualcomm QCC3020 chipset that runs Bluetooth 5.0, which also gives you support for aptX, AAC, as well as SBC audio playback. This gives you the best possible audio latency, connectivity, as well as the best audio quality you can expect in today's true wireless earbuds. The HiTune also comes with an IPX5 water resistant rating, so it should provide you with sufficient protection for sweating and rain splashes, and since these earbuds are not designed for swimming, so please don't bring them swimming. UGREEN says that the earbuds supports mono and stereo mode, so you can use one side or both sides at any given one time. But a caveat is that this is not seamless switching, so you need to connect both sides of the earbuds manually, and after connecting them once, you can use both sides of the earbuds together or take out either side of the earbuds and use them individually. The sound quality of the HiTune is really very nice and is one bassy earbuds. If you love bassy earbuds, then this is definitely the earbuds for you. Although the earbuds excel in bass performance, the earbuds also does a really good job with clarity for the mids and highs. For most songs, they sound amazing, but for some songs, they'll start to hear a little jumbling up at the end. Personally, I think these earbuds get really loud and hold up very well at higher volumes without cracking. In terms of the soundstage, I think they could benefit from a little bit more airiness, but usually in TWS earbuds, they kinda lack that open feeling, unlike headphones do. So fortunately, the driver still gives you pretty good sound separation, so watching movies on these earbuds are really nice. Overall, I think these are really nice sounding earbuds. And in terms of the call quality, the HiTune is actually pretty solid. Comparing this with many other earbuds that claims to have good sound quality, this UGREEN really does its job very well at both quiet and noisy environment. The earbuds also come with Qualcomm CVC 8.0 noise cancelling technology, and similar to most CVC 8 earbuds, I don't feel too much suppression of background noise, but the good news is that in both quiet and noisy environments, the mic does pick up my voice pretty nicely and it's really quite good. Anyway, let's take a listen to the call quality test of these earbuds. So this is a test to see if the UGREEN HiTune is a good earbuds for making phone calls. So now I'm speaking in a relatively quiet environment, and this is the call quality that you can expect. So what I'm going to do now is to turn on a simulated background noise so you can hear the difference. So now there's a simulated background noise playing in the background, and this is the call quality that you can expect from this earbud. So what do you think of the call quality? Let me know in the comment section down below. With Bluetooth 5.0 and aptX codec support, there are really no issues with latency when watching videos on YouTube or Netflix. However, playing games like PUBG still does have a little bit obvious delay. It's okay to use for casual gaming, but if you're looking for anything competitive, I think getting wired earbuds are probably still the best option out there. Anyway, let's take a look at the latency performance of these earbuds. So this is the test to see whether or not these earphones actually have a latency problem. So what I'm going to do now is clap into the microphone and you should be able to tell. So here we go. And if you see the hands not synchronized with the sound, then you will know that these earphones actually have a latency problem. In terms of the HiTune's control, I think they are very standard and nothing fancy, but they don't lack some crucial controls, which is very important. And comparing this to the Soundpiece series of earbuds, I think one of the things that is missing is volume controls. So to play or pause media, simply tap once on either side of the earbuds, and this will allow you to play or pause your media as well as pick up phone calls. And to skip forward, simply double tap on either side of the earbuds, so double tap to skip forward and double tap to skip forward. And to skip backwards, simply triple tap on either side of the earbuds and it should bring you back or skip you back to the previous track. And to call out your assistant, simply press and hold 2 seconds on either side of the earbuds and it will pause your media and pull out your assistant. So there you go. And one more thing to note is that I feel the tap controls are sensitive but a little bit fiddly sometimes, and I don't quite register my taps as effectively. So that's basically all of the controls you get with the UGREEN HiTune. Overall, for a budget pair of earbuds, I think that this is a fantastic pair of earbuds that honestly, when you hold them in your hands or use them, you won't think for a second that these are budget earbuds. So a very good option if you're looking for an earbuds with good performance and a very good price. So that is it for this review, and if you find this video helpful, smash that thumbs up button, share this video everywhere, and if you haven't yet subscribed, do consider subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.